Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you the tutorial on cartoon clothing edit on PicsArt. First, select any image of your preference. Now go to Draw. Here, select Brush and decrease its size. So zoom right into the image and start outlining the outfit. Make sure that the outline is detailed. For finer details, decrease the brush size and continue. Tap and hold on the image to select the color of the outfit. And increase the brush size as shown. Then go to the layer section and add in a new empty layer. Drag the empty layer below the outline layer. Select the brush and decrease its opacity. And start coloring the outfit you just outlined. You don't need to be precise. If you outline too far, just erase the excess after. Click Done after completion and add in some effects for more impact. Your cartoon outfit is complete. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.